Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi ikruok ne romo mar ariyo mar joket mwandu e kaunti ma Homa Bay chopo ng'ende e seche mag gavana ma kaunti no Gavana Wanga kwa jo-ohala mondo oikre kaluwore gi kwand welo mathoth mabiro timo limbe e romo no mabiro kawo ndalo 3 ibiro bagi e mbalariany ma Tom Mboya e boma ma Homa Bay kendo odhi ywayo wang' joket mwandu ma opogore mowuok e pacho ka koda pinje maoko. Bende en thuolo mar sirikand kaunti ma Homa Bay biro tiyogo mar nyiso teko manitie kaunti no mar keto mwandu e sectors ma opogore kama oting'o sectors mar pur kod pith lupo e kind sectors mamoko. Gavana Wanga okoni ikruok ne nyasi no dhi karumo kendo giseketo kenge makare mabiro neno ni romo mar keto mwandu odhi e yo makare.
We have assessed the level of preparedness of the venue, of our delegates, registration, generally of our security here in Homa Bay, the logistics for our guests and their travel. So we are very, very pleased to announce to all investors and our guests that our level of preparedness is good. We are duly prepared. We have completed a lot of the preparations that we were supposed to make. So we are really ready for our guests. And what I'd like to say is that we have a team here that is constituted of the national government, the university, fraternity, the county government, and several of our partners with whom we are working together to make sure that this day is a success. I want to ask our people of Homa Bay, whom we are also talking to continuously, to prepare to receive a large number of dignitaries and guests who will be attending this conference. They should be ready to also provide hospitality and other services that will be required by our guests.